Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Monday, August 31st. All right, welcome to a new week, and things are looking really good. Our list of our list of mover on the options, they're doing very, very well today. Our EGN dropped $22, PCLN 10, Google 11, IBB 11, CMG 11, and MKL, BLK, $6 to $8 in that area, and several others that are setting up very nicely for a very good reset again. But I do want to take a look at a couple of drink companies. We're going to look at Green Mountain here. Green Mountain has done very well off this hammering to the bottom right here at 45. We're up $11 right now from that, and we just closed over the middle Bollinger Band also. Relative Strength Index is right about 45, and this is a daily chart just for the record. We do have this beautiful gap right here, and this gap is up here at 74. Will it get there? I don't know. I'm not sure. But the volume's pretty good today, but you can see the volume here is just, it's trickling to the upside. There is nothing spectacular about this buying. Um, but I do see a reversal pattern in the chart for now, and if that's the case, then we're going to catch this middle bull, I mean this relative strength index to up this area. So potentially, if the market can handle it, we're going to go to 66 in that area for a $20 move off the downside. So keep an eye on that. But your stochastics again a little toppy here, starting to round, and when that takes place, there's really not too much more in the tank. So you can ride to the upside until you can't. And what I would like to do, today's the close today. Here's pretty much the trend line that it's in right now. That would be my protection point if I'm in any kind of call options or if I'm in long the stock. If this line is compromised under any circumstances, that will be my exit. But I will use that on a 60-minute chart just to let you know. So keep an eye on that. So take a look at soda. Soda's another one, a little bit of gas today, but the problem is it didn't get through. So I know a lot of people caught this today, and they were talking about it here, there, and everywhere. But again, we're going to do the same thing here. Just keep this trend line. I wouldn't use this hammer right here because that doesn't make any sense whatsoever. What I would do is come off the bodies of these here, and if you are on the upside of this, you can see here. That your middle Bollinger Band just acted as resistance, and if you hear my dog barking, I apologize for that. But the middle Bollinger Band is resistance, and this is your support line right now. So your trend is to the upside. I don't have any gaps or anything like that, but if you draw this line here to the downside, you could see here it has broken the trend to the downside, okay, and is starting to reverse to the upside. So potentially, we can get into the 17 area, but soda, if you look at this at a long-term chart, you're coming down from a double top here, 77, and you just hit 15. So this is, I mean, these two stocks is same with GMCR. These two have just been absolutely mutilated, and you're going to get a bounce in these at different points. But you can see here, GMCR was pretty much an easy tag for us because I had this set, the 200-day moving average at 45. And that's why we started riding that to the upside. But you remember, you have this downtrend line in place that you have to manage, and you do have that uptrend line. So right now, you can see here that your 50 was in the way. Let's get rid of this. You can see a 50 was in the way here, and they decided to sell it down a little bit more here and come down to the 200. So you don't have anything changing on the monthly yet, and you don't have anything changing on the weekly. So actually, you do. I apologize for that. You do have starting this week out this way. So as long as we close over this trend line, we can continue to the upside. No need to freak out until we get under. Okay, members, we're going to look at SPY, we're going to look at oil, we're going to look at the market, and then also we have China stocks that we're going to look at, only because they've arrested 200 people for I don't know, for actions that may have been destabilizing to the effect of the markets, and also they had a big halting of major stock purchases. So is the trend done, or are we still heading south? We'll have to take a look at that. Okay, members, we'll see you over on the member video. Everyone else, have yourself a great night. And if you're not a member, click underneath the YouTube video. I'm going to have two links there. One is going to be for $99 membership per month, and that's full chat. That's all the alerts sent by text, and the entire website, training videos, and everything else. Also, the other link will be to a roundtable that Ray and I are doing in New Jersey, and we're going to be creating several lists for the next 4 to 6 months and laying out all the trades. Should have about 150, 200 stocks on that we'll be ripping through the technicals for. So make sure you join either one of those. That'll be September 19th and 20th. Please join us. It's going to be a great time, and 2 days of hardcore technical analysis. Okay, have yourself a great night. This is Matt over MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com.